see the whole map is destroyed. But let's see the other. Let's see the imaging. Let's try to push up this guy. Let's try to push this guy off. Oh, the next map is Lucky Mart. So let's go to the Lucky Mart, guys. Okay, let's go inside the store. Wait, what I see over there? Oh, let's follow this guy. Let's follow that guy. Let's follow that guy and let's go to the highest point. So I'm gonna get on top of his head and hopefully it's a tsunami. So let me see. Why do I have no face? Okay, let's do the glitch, guys, that I showed you with Zomplace. Oh my god, guys. Ow, I fell. Okay, let's wait until the tsunami. Oh, it's a tsunami. Get to higher ground. This is an edited video, so anything I say is already done. So why do I have no face, guys? Oh my god, it's a big tsunami. I hope we don't get swiped out. Oh, it's Thanos' girlfriend. That's so cool, guys. Why is Thanos so cool? Let's get on top of Thanos. Let's go. We're gonna get hit by the wave. Tsunami. But that's all for today's video, guys. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe. Make sure to comment down below. Bye.